Welcome to Eaglehawk. In this vibrant suburb, you'll find a strong community with a median age of 39 and roughly 2.3 people per dwelling, set amidst a mix of housing with almost 90% being traditional houses and an occupancy rate of about 68%. Eaglehawk has seen a dynamic property market, with an average sold price around $510,000 to $540,000 and modest price movements over the last 90 days. The area is poised for continued growth, with local population projections reaching over 127,800 by 2025, promising further opportunities for capital growth. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button now to stay on top of the latest investment insights. Eaglehawk holds a public housing rate of about 5.4%. This stability is encouraging for investors looking for areas with less volatility and tenancy mix. The rental market in Eaglehawk is robust. Vacancy rates are impressively low at around 0.9%, highlighting a healthy absorption rate in the rental market. This combination of strong yield and low vacancy provides a solid foundation for rental income. On the sales side, properties in Eaglehawk are currently experiencing a discount of about 15.7% from the asking price, coupled with an average of 62 days on market. With a days of supply figure around 95, demand remains resilient, signalling good market momentum. This healthy buyer environment paves the way for potential capital appreciation over the long term. The local area is benefiting from significant new developments. Consider flagship projects such as the Bendigo Hospital redevelopment, a major $630 million initiative led by the Victorian government that is set to enhance community services. Also noteworthy are the Latrobe University Bendigo campus redevelopment and the Bendigo Marketplace redevelopment, each at $100 million, which underline broad multi-industry growth in the region. These projects offer tangible evidence of the area's potential to drive strong long-term property values. New home construction in the area is measured at a modest rate of about 3.8% from the last year. This relatively low supply growth minimises the risk of oversupply, supporting our bullish outlook on future capital growth while maintaining strong demand in the market. If you enjoyed these insights, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more up-to-date expert property analysis. To learn more and get personalised advice, visit picky.com.au.